In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Binance with your QR code. So if you guys don't know how this works, then basically let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys don't know what Binance is an exchange, basically crypto exchange, to be honest. It's basically like, you guys can buy and sell crypto, and that's what exchange means, all right? And Binance is one of that. It's one of the world's top crypto exchange. So let me show you guys how you guys can, log in into your account using your QR code. If you scan your QR code using which account, that's the account you guys are going to log in into. So let's say like in my device, in my phone right now, I have logged in into my Kevin account. If I scan the QR code on another device, then basically I'm going to be logging into my Kevin account in that, device. I'm not going to be logging into my Witchy account, all right? So which account you use to scan your QR code, that account is going to be logged into that device, all right? So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. It's me, Witchy Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. So let's move on, shall we? So the first step is you want to go on Binance.com on the device which you want to log in into, all right? So I want to log in into my laptop. So on my laptop, I got to go to Binance.com and go to the login page, all right? Once I go to the login page, there's going to be a QR code at beside. Now let me show you guys how you guys can scan that. You want to open the device which you want to scan, all right? So I am on my iPhone and I want to use my iPhone to scan a QR code. I'm going to log in into my Binance on my iPhone. Click on this little thing over here. After I click on it, I can, go to the QR code, scan it up, and once it detects the QR code, it's going to send me this. So I'm just going to click on authorize. Once I click on authorize, the Binance will be logged in into my other device. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into your Binance using your QR code. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And you guys are watching One to Step YouTube channel, stay tuned to our channel for future videos, and don't forget to use our referral link in the description to sign up into Binance to get up to $10 bonus. See you guys in a bit. Bye bye.